Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So today we will take a revision of Windows 10. In next class we will discuss our chapter number 3. So this is our revision class. So without wasting any time, let's start. So as you can see, a computer is a machine that cannot think on its own and require instruction from us. The most important software of a computer is its operating system. It is a medium through which we can interact with the hardware using software. It controls all the activity of a computer system. So as we know, computer is a dumb machine. So to interact with the computer system and to give the instruction to a computer system, we need a software. So operating system is the software which helps us to interact with the computer system. It is the most important system software which makes all the hardware and software parts run in a computer system. So let's discuss about some operating systems. So there are various type of operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Unix. So these are some most widely used operating system and most important operating system. Windows is a very easy to use operating system which works on graphical user interface. So let's learn about Windows operating system. So Windows is a graphical user interface or GUI, which is also pronounced as GUI, between a computer and its user. It means Windows make a graphical user interface between computer and the user so that the user can easily interact with the computer system. It has been developed by Microsoft, the world's leading software company. Let's discuss some features of Windows 10. As we know, Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows operating system. So the first GUI version of Windows operating system was Windows 1.0. Since then, many versions of Windows operating system have been released. The most popular versions of Windows are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Windows 10 is the latest operating system of Windows. The Windows 10 operating system has become very popular because of its following features. So let's take a look of some useful features of Windows 10. First one is attractive and easy to use. Second one is improved start menu. Third one is search tool. Fourth one is supports multiple desktop. Fifth one is Windows snapping. Sixth, new browser which is known as Microsoft Edge browser. And last one is Windows Store. So these are some useful features of Windows 10 which makes Windows a great operating system. So in next video we will learn about all the features in detail. So as you can see, this is the interface of Windows 10. This screen is known as desktop screen. There are some images. The images are known as icons. There is a button which is known as start button, and there is a bar which is known as taskbar. So this is the complete interface of Windows 10. So as you can see, the new start menu of Windows 10 gives you quick access to apps and surviving. In the left pane, you can find File Explorer, settings, and list of most used apps, power options, etc. And in the right pane, live tiles are displayed which consist of various apps. It means as we were using start menu in Windows 7, so similarly we also have a start menu in Windows 10, but it is improved as we are using live tiles and many more features in Windows 10 start menu. So as you can see, this is an example of Windows 10. This is the start menu of Windows 10. There are two parts. First one is left part and second one is right part. In the left part, we have similar app just like Windows 7, but on the right side we have some tiles. These tiles are used for accessing different applications and different functions of Windows 10. So next one is search tool, which is known as Cortana. Windows 10 has a refined and powerful search tool called Cortana. It allows you to search for information on the system or on the web directly. It can also be used to play music, videos, set alarms and reminders. You can also send emails, and you can also give voice command to your computer or any other device with the help of Cortana. As we know, we can use Windows 10 in our tablet, mobile phones and in PCs also. So Cortana is a very interesting feature of Windows 10, just like we are using a search tool in our Android phones also. So in Android phones, you can simply do many tasks by only your voice commands. So in Windows there is a tool which also works on voice commands, which is known as Cortana. So as you can see, this is the interface of Cortana. To access Cortana, you just have to click on the start button. By clicking on start button, you will get a start menu. So in start menu, the lower part shows you the Cortana search box. You can simply search by typing in the box, and you can also give the voice commands in Cortana search box. So this is a very interesting features of Windows 10. Next one is supports multiple desktop. Windows 10 has a new task view button on the taskbar. This button provides the ability to open multiple desktop at the same time. You can create multiple desktop for different tasks so that only one related set of application is visible in one desktop. There is no limit to the number of desktop that you can create. It means in Windows 10 you can use multiple applications at the same time on the same screen. I would like to show you an example. As you can see, we are using different applications on Windows 10 at the same time. So you can easily send any data from one desktop to another by just clicking and dragging it to the another desktop. So this is also a important feature of Windows 10, which makes it a better Windows than the other ones. Next one is the new browser, which is known as Microsoft Edge browser. So Edge is the default browser of Windows 10. It allows you to write and highlight the text directly on web pages. Cortana is an inbuilt feature of Windows Edge that helps you to do things faster. So it means it is a web browser just like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and any other browser. So this is developed by Microsoft. As you can see, this is the complete interface of Microsoft Edge browser. You can simply search the things in this browser like the other ones. There are some useful features in this browser. So one of them is a reading mode. By clicking on reading mode, you will able to read the text without any interruption. So this is also a useful feature of Microsoft Edge browser. Next one is Windows Store. The Windows Store application provides you with all kinds of paid and free apps, games, music, movies, etc. With Microsoft Store, you can try an app before you buy it. Windows 10 opens these apps in multiple small windows on the desktop. So as you can see, this is your store of Windows on Microsoft. So as we have a app store in our Android phone, which is known as Play Store. So this is just like the Play Store. We can simply download games and we can use the other applications also like Facebook, Google Search, Skype and many more applications with the help of this store. So this is a useful feature of Windows 10. So starting Windows. When we switch on a computer, the Windows operating system starts loading into the computer's memory. Once the process gets completed, the first screen that appears on the monitor is known as the desktop. It contains icons that are graphical images or symbols representing in files or programs. So this is a desktop of Windows 10. Basically, the complete screen is known as desktop screen. The complete screen is known as desktop screen. The shortcuts or the files on the desktop are called icons. This is the start button. By clicking on this button, you will get the start menu. So the start button. This is probably the most used button on the Windows desktop. When we click on the start button, a menu appears displaying the major options along with live tiles. As you can see, these all are the options and the small boxes all the boxes are known as tiles, and some are live tiles also. This is called the start menu. So as I said, by clicking on start button you will get the start menu. So this complete interface is known as start menu. It provides access to the installed program on a computer. This PC folder. This PC folder displays the contents of the computer's hard disk, CD, DVD, or any other external storage media such as pen drive. By using this PC icon, we can access all and manage all the folders and files stored in a computer. It is useful for finding, organizing, moving and copying files or folders in a program computer. So this is the interface of this PC. As you can see, this PC, this bar, this is known as address bar. There is a box which is known as search box. This area is known as ribbon, and this complete interface is known as right pane, and this interface is known as navigation pane. So this is right pane, navigation pane, this is search box, this is address bar, and this is ribbon. So files and folders. Files, it is a collection of related information stored together on some storage devices such as hard disk, CD, DVD or pen drive. Folders, as we keep all our files in a file cabinet. Similarly, a folder in a computer is like a cabinet where we keep relevant files. So as you can see, this is a folder and both are the files. So files are basically used to store the data, like you can store any text, any table or any other data in files, and the folders are used to store the files. So files are used to store the data and the folders are used to store the files. Next is saving a file. So if you want to save a file, you just have to click on the file tab located on the left top area. You will see a file tab on the left side while you use any application like MS Paint, MS Word or any other application. By clicking on a file tab, you will get this type of interface. So you can see a button which is save as. So we have to click on this button. You can also click on the save button. By clicking on both buttons, we can save our file. So after clicking on save or save as button, you will get the options. So as you can see, you can save your file in this PC, or you can save your file on OneDrive. So there are two options to save a file. So we just have to click on this PC icon. By clicking on this PC icon, you will get this type of box. You just have to fill your name in the file name box. The name of your file you can fill according to your requirement, and after filling the name, you just have to click on the save button. So it will save your file into this PC folder. Creating a folder. If you want to create a new folder in your computer, so you just have to right click on a blank area in your computer. By clicking on a blank area, by clicking on the right button, you will get this type of option. You have to click on the new option. After clicking on new option, you will get the another box. In this box, you will get a option of folder. By clicking on the folder option, you will get a new folder. Renaming a file or folder. So as we discussed about files or folders, so you can simply change the name of your file or folder. To change the name of your file or folder, you just have to click right button. You just have to click the right mouse button or right click. After right clicking, you will get option rename. On clicking the rename button, you will write any name according to your requirement. So these are some useful features which you can use in Windows 10 on your computer. So that is it for today. Thank you so much, students.